the powers that be could not control the many. They could not drive people into submission. They could not create division between the people. And they could not strip away one's ability to think for themselves. They could not achieve their agendas. And without the mainstream media, those fears could not be. As a young person, defund the BBC! As a young person, it saddens me the most to see so many of my own generation and younger deceived and living in this fear. So many do not realise just how threatened our futures are. And as young people and children, we are the main targets. Keep the faith. Those who are willing to listen will listen. Because we are the 99%. We are unity. We have the real power. It all depends on how we use it. And with that in mind, I'd just like to finish on a rather inspirational story, as Aesop's fable, The Bundle of Sticks. It's a story of an old man, a father to a set of sons, constantly fighting with one another. On the point of his death, the old man calls his sons to be around him to give them some advice. He asks his servants to bring forward a bundle of sticks that are all tied together. The old man then asks each of his sons to, one by one, attempt to break the bundle of sticks. And they each try with all their efforts, but they were all unsuccessful. The old man then orders that the bundle of sticks be untied and each son be given a single stick. When it was done, each stick was told to be broken, and each stick was easily broken. The message from the old man to his sons was that individually you can easily be conquered, but together you are invincible.